Yeah, I was seen for chronic back pain, lower back pain. I had trouble walking for more than half a mile. I had trouble standing for more than 10 minutes. I had trouble with a lot of movement, and really I was in such a chronic type of situation where I was really having trouble being active at all. With all the therapists that I've had before, and those were a number of different institutions and locations, I felt like it was very much a generic kind of out of the box type of approach. I would walk into a facility and I would maybe just spend a few minutes with a therapist, and then I would have I would just have assistants kind of checking on me, and they'd be having me do stuff on my own. And I think the biggest difference is coming here to the Mettler Institute. It feels like a totally personalized experience where the focus is on me as a patient to try to figure out what my problem is and how to fix it. So I think the big thing was really just understanding my pain and where it was coming from and what was causing it, and learning about that to be able to understand that. And then, in my case, it was a lot of adhesions and really tight areas that no one had ever identified before. It feels like you're wrapped in saran wrap. You're a body part, or in my case, it was almost like my whole body. It's sort of a tightness and a discomfort that you can't really describe. And I think sometimes, in my case, I had it for so long, you don't even realize that you have it until you start to free it up, and then you start to see what movement you have coming back that you didn't have before. Going through the therapy here, I've had immense gains where even from day one, but consecutively as the treatment's gone on, I've just had tons and tons of improvement and better movement, ability to be active, everything. I've been able to really get myself back towards the direction of the activity levels that I was at before. So I've been exercising, walking, swimming, starting to do some actual weight training now and things like that. This has been an unbelievable experience for me in terms of from a treatment standpoint. And I was at a point where I was really frustrated and had really almost given up hope to what I thought was all the physical therapy options that were out there. And when I heard about the manual therapy, I wasn't quite sure about it. I actually had some doubts about it, just because I've always been one of those people that just wants to get out and do things on my own and give me some exercises and let me fix myself. But by putting that aside to come in here and go through the treatment and actually giving it some time, it totally changed my view on physical therapy. It totally changed my view and understanding of the body, and changed my life.